Okay, we have the 22 rifle AR conversion. This is from Sportsman's Guide, and I think the rest was around 180, I think, wasn't it? And this here, the charger, we had to buy this separate. This was like $40 for Sportsman's Guide. Oh, maybe it was 20. Okay, so we're gonna go through a little bit of the steps of putting this in, and we're gonna take it out and run some 22 ammo, which is easier and cheaper to shoot, just so you can play with your gun. Okay, we have to pull the pin, which you may have to use a roll punch to use to pull it open. Pull the charger out. The whole mechanism is gonna slide out of here. Our new charger. This is going to slide in just like this. It can only go in one way. Locks in. Close it up. We're going to push our pin back in. Give her a little tap with our hammer. And this is ready to go. So let's take it outside. We're going to screw our suppressor on it and see what happens. Okay, we're going to take our muzzle brake off. Set that in our box here. So we're going to take our Vanish 30. You have seen this on previous videos. The Vanish 30 works all the way up to the 300 mag. This 22, let's see if it makes much of a difference in this. I'll give her a shot and see what goes on. What could go wrong? This is basically just finger tight. You can actually go online and go to Banish the 30 under Silencer Central. They have a lot of videos on different suppressors they have, all the way from their pistols all the way up to your 50s. So check them out. So let's go outside and see how much noise this makes. Okay, I'm not wearing ear protection. We don't need it with this on here, I'm sure. So let's see if I can hit anything at all. Get ready here, maybe I will. Pretty much destroyed that. Good enough for me. Pretty quiet also. I like it. I had a lot of questions about this pistol. It is a 22 mag double barrel made by Standard Manufacturing, and it is called Thunderstruck. It is a double barrel, as you can see right there. It has two barrels, both of them go off at the same time. There's the sights, really nice sights, holds 8 shots, the 22 mag. So we're going to do another shoot with it since we had so many requests about this pistol. It is available at our Dunham's, and they run around $500. Standard Manufacturing, called the Thunderstruck double barrel 22 mag pistol. It has one, you're going to pull this, there is your safety right there. It's built in the trigger. It's made for 2 fingers to go on it. So that's your safety. When you pull it, you got both shots going off. We're going to take a couple shots. Let's look at how it shoots. Okay, that was about 7 yards. I hit the paper a little high, got her brought back down. Sights are non-adjustable. I like the gun, easy to carry for in the house, in a car. So stay watching the rest of the video that was recorded the same day. And then after this video, our next one, I think I'm gonna go into how safe your car is for taking a shot. So that means we're gonna be shooting your car, my car, with a pistol, and let's see what it takes to penetrate the door. So stay tuned. All right, we got the 44 Magnum, and we're gonna try to find, we got a moose walking around here. So we're gonna see if we can find a moose. I think we got a good chance of getting a shot off. So let's see if I can find the moose. There's a moose. I knew there was one around here. Okay, we got back up here. Moose is in trouble now. He's going down.
Oh, God. Oh, weirdo. Oh, I got pushed to get it out.
Okay, we're gonna put an end to what's left of Mr. Moose.
I got one.
Okay, that ends this video. We had some fun with guns. Shot the moose's head off. Everybody opened up on it. So that's the way we like to play. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll have more fun coming your way. Thank you.